What's up, bro? If you really listen and master what I'm about to say, you can potentially make about $10,000 per month from trading and become consistently profitable trader. So are you ready for the secret trading strategy that the top 5% use? Let's hop onto the charts right now. Jokes on you, brother, but there is no charts today. So if you exit this video right now, you're just gonna continue losing. So if you want to stop losing, continue watching this video. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna share with you my major psychology tips. It's all listed right here. And I understand that you guys can't see right now, right? The video is like inverted. But if you recall in my previous episode, I talked about how like trading strategy is easy. Let me just roll the clip here. Analysis is easy. Technical analysis is easy. Me and my students from the mentorship program can analyze the charts, any chart, within 30 minutes and determine whether we should go in for a buy or sell. Because the truth is, analysis is easy. You can master technical analysis within 6 months. You will be able to understand how to use trend lines, support, resistance, smart money, whatever in 6 months. You know what is hard? Psychology and risk management. These two factors are the two major factors that it is so hard that will cause you to lose the most amount of money. Trust me, most of the time when you are losing money, it's not because you analyze the chart wrongly. It is because of your own emotions. And you are using a lot size that is way too big for your account. And that is just the truth, guys. It is not because you are a bad trader. It is because you are managing your emotions badly. So that is the unfiltered truth. That is why like my goal is to really make sure you guys focus on risk management and psychology rather than strategy. Yep, so you can see that I talk about how trading strategy is easy, technical analysis is easy. You are able to master how to analyze the charts within 1 or 2 or 3 months, right? But what's hard is really trading psychology. That is like the one thing that really prevent people from becoming profitable. So if you are willing to work on that, and if you want to like really serious about becoming a profitable trader, you need to watch this video till the end. And what I mean by that is that I do not want you to like skip around this video like a little loser skipping around, because your attention span is so short, right? I really want you to focus and just stay with me and listen to what I'm about to say. Absorb each tip into your trading journey, okay? Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, we got overcome greed, okay? Overcome greed. Greed is a very common emotion, okay? As humans, we will experience emotions like greed, right? There is no 100% power for you to get rid of all these emotions that you go through when you are trading. But what you can do is to really not let these emotions take control of you and really like try to be rational as much as possible. So example of greed is like the market can give you $500, like you see on your MetaTrader 4, you see floating profit $500, but then you think that $500, what the hell, that's too less, man. I want more. I want 5,000, I want 10,000. So you end up holding the trade a little bit longer, even further from your take profit, and guess what, 1 hour later you end up losing the trade. And that is all because of greed. So greed is a very harmful emotion. So another example of greed is that you are rushing the process by starting to trade like your live account so fast. So what I mean by that is that maybe you just started trading. You have backtested, you have learned technical analysis for about 1 to 2 months, and now you want to trade live account. That is rushing the process, guys. And I always tell my students, never ever rush the process. Take your time to master the trading, and as you become a better trader, you will make more money. That's just how it works. As you become better, money will just come. But if you rush the process by like starting to trade live account fast, instead of making money, money will run away from you. Money will run away and you will chase money away and you will end up losing a lot of money. So never ever rush the process. Please trust the process, like what Joel Embiid from NBA said. So the second psychology tip is that you need to have another income other than trading. This is such an important one because like most traders come into this market thinking that they're gonna quit like their full-time job after 1 month of trading, and I can tell you that that is not realistic. So a little bit on my story. So I was working like a 6 months internship. So it was like a 9 to 5 job at like some fancy office, right? So during this 9 to 5 job, what I would do is that I would learn trading whenever I have any free time. So it could be like during lunchtime, or it could be after I am done with my work and I'm head back home after dinner, that I will study trading until about 12 a.m. before I sleep. And I wake up, go to work, and then come back and learn trading. And that was how serious I was about trading, right? I was not like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna quit this job and fucking trade. No, right? I need to have another income. So this another income help to like supply your trading capital. And once you're able to build up your capital, you have like maybe 10k, 50k, 100k in your trading account. That is when you can potentially like consider quitting your job to trade. But if you are not consistently profitable, like you are still losing trades, do not even think about quitting your job, man. Do not even think about quitting your job. You need to become consistently profitable first before you can even think about quitting your job. I don't know how many of you are still watching this video right now, because I understand that it's a little bit boring than the usual trading videos where I analyze the charts with you guys and show you guys like my trading strategy on the chart, right? So this video really have no charts, so I'm really quite like interested to know like who else is still watching this video, because if you're still watching this, chances are you are really serious about mastering trading. So if you're still watching this, make sure you go down right now and comment something like the trading gig is the best or something. Just comment anything to tell me that you are still watching this video and you are dedicated. I'll make sure I reply to your comment, guarantee. So the third psychology tip is that I need you guys to be robotic, right? So what it means to be robotic is to not get too attached to the outcome. Okay, never ever get attached to the trade outcome. So I remember in one of the videos I told you that trading is 50-50, right? There will never ever be like you confirm win that trade. Okay, that will not be an instance where it's like this. It's always 50-50. You win, you win. You lose. All right. So no matter how confident you are in a trade, there is still a chance that you're going to lose the trade, right? And no matter how much times you lose the trade, there is still a chance that you're going to win the next trade, because like I said, trading is random, right? It all comes down to probability. So everyone loses in the market, right? Every single one. Trading is just a part of the game, right? Let's say example, you run a restaurant business. Okay, you run a restaurant business, you'll make money by having a lot of customers, right? But you will have expenses by like renting the space, or buying the tables, buying the groceries to cook up the food for your customers. All of these things are called your expenses, right? And these are your business expenses. So in trading, your expenses are your losses, because these losses help you generate profits in the long run. So treat losses like your business expenses, and do not ever trade with money you can't afford to lose, guys. So important. If you only have like $200 in your bank account right now, do not put all $200 into your trading account. Right, you can maybe put like $50 into your trading account or what, but make sure you still have money to eat and have like your basic necessities like a roof, shelter or something. Okay, just make sure you do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. The fourth tip is to stop looking at Lamborghinis. A lot of you make this mistake, or rather I myself made this mistake. I will go to like some successful trader and then see their Instagram, and it's like, whoa, this guy has a Lamborghini, this guy has a Ferrari, this guy has a $1 million cash in his hand. And I would think that, yo, I want to be like him. So I will end up going to my trading account and try to use a lot size that is way too big for my account, just so that I can make money. And also I end up like forcing a lot of trades when there is no opportunity at all. And that is when you guys really need to think of trading as like a percentage game rather than like a get rich quick scheme, right? The trader who owns a Lamborghini, he might have been trading for like 5 years or 6 years even, right? Ultimately, you have to understand that you are like at a different level. And I don't say that in like a disrespectful way. I'm saying that as like a honest way, okay? Honest way. Like honestly, this Lambo traders, I'm not at that level yet also, right? So I'm not at that level yet. I'm just gonna admit the fact that I still have more work to do, So you also have to admit the fact that you have to more work to do, like you have to work on your trading discipline more, right? So all of these things will really help you to prevent yourself from comparing yourself to like more successful traders, because comparison is the thief of joy. So the next step is to take a break. Every day is not a trading day. Alright, that is such an important point. Alright, so for me, I give you an example right now. So the last time I traded was in May, like end of May. So if you think about it, that's about 1 month since I traded. 1 month, guys. 1 month, I did not trade at all. So every day is really not a trading day, right? Like you do not have like, oops, sorry. You cannot have like the pressure to like, oh, I have to trade today. I have to make money today. So I will go into the market and force some trade. No, you cannot do that, right? You should only trade when there is opportunity. Literally as simple as that. And you deserve to take a break if you have been like trading for a lot, alright? So it is perfectly okay to take a month or so away from the charts. Your brain need to rest too, right? You know, when you exercise, you sleep, and then your body rests, and then you gain muscle. Your brain is a muscle too. Your brain also need to rest. So by taking a break, it allows your mind to be like more refreshed so that you are able to dominate the markets when you get back to trading. And I really want to emphasize the fact that you guys should not just focus on chart work. You guys should not be just focusing on analyzing the chart and getting like the best entry possible. It does not matter how good you know how to analyze a chart. That's the truth. It does not matter. If you are not there psychologically, and you let your emotions take control of you, take over you, you will lose. Alright, that's just the truth. You will lose. You have to develop a proper mindset first before you become profitable. Alright, so really make sure you absorb all of these psychology tips that I'm sharing with you. Okay, I decided to like change the backdrop a little bit just to give you guys something different. So the next step will be to handle your emotions in real life first before you decide to trade. So what I mean by that is that do not try to trade if you are going through something in your life. Okay, it can be like a bad breakup, or you lost a friend, or something bad happened to you. You got fired or something. Okay, something bad happened to you. Do not try to trade when you are experiencing like these emotions, because trust me, it will affect you on the charts. Alright, if you get better at handling your emotions in real life, you can do the same when you are trading. That's just the truth. Like if you can handle your emotions in real life like a man, you'll perform much more better on the charts. So that's why there's a saying that goes like, the charts literally reflect like your life or something like that. And bro, you need to stop comparing yourself to others. Alright, everyone's trading journey is different. What works for them might not work for you. Like this video if this video was helpful, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the tribe, and remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.